Okay, you didn't see the other bridge, but there was a tiny little bridge that we crossed. And this one is small. It's long, it's pretty long for how narrow it is. But it's a little boardwalk here. We're going back to the car, but it's a neat little bridge. Just shows you how dry it is because there's no water for that bridge. And they've been excited the entire time. I think this success. But now you can hear the sounds. Yeah, it's so funny. Yeah, that's the sound of Florida there. Well, bayou country. Texas, Mississippi, Louisiana, Florida, Georgia, bayou country. I think Tennessee also has some bayou areas, swampy land. I think they're having a good time. What'd you find, boo-boo? What'd you find? All right, we're gonna head to the car.